Hi guys, how are you doing? My name is Sebastian from TechCentry, the channel to help you make the right purchasing decisions. And today I have a video for all my fellow video creators out there who are also using Final Cut Pro 10 and who want to step up their video production game. So when I came back to YouTube, I really wanted to step up my video production on here to make my videos look a lot more professional. And then I was very excited when the guys over at MotionVFX reached out to me and said, look at this, we have a new mBundle vlogger which specifically made for YouTubers to improve their videos. Why don't you take a look at it for 4 weeks and then share with your viewers your experience with the plugins. And this is exactly what I'm going to do today. The bundle retails for $2.99 currently, but make sure to check out the description if there's a discount code available. So now let's head on over here to my iMac and we'll take a look at the website of them first, because here you can see what is included in this bundle. So it actually consists of 7 different plugins: the mPointer, mIntro, mFeatures, mTag, mStories, mTuber and mTuber 2. And there's so much content in this bundle that I'll leave the link to this page in the description below, because this is the only way that you can see everything that's in here. So now we head on over to Final Cut. And then you can actually head on over to your text library and then you can see all of the plugins right here after you've installed them. But now let's actually take a look at some of my projects and how I used all of this. So first off, right here we have the iMac RAM upgrade video, which is my most recent. And here we have one of these subscribe animations that you can see right here. So if I just play this back, you can see that there's like this viewer view and you have the like, as well as also subscribe and notify button here with the bell. And I think it just looks amazing and very professional. And then just waiting a few seconds, we actually get to the intro that I've created only with these plugins. And it was so easy to just drag and drop my own logo in there. You can see it right here, there's the drop zone. And then you can also say, okay, I want to have a different text in every video. For example, this is my goal at least. So we have RAM upgrade since 2011. And you can also change all the colors here as well. So for example, if we take a look at this here, so we have black, yellow and red. So I can just say, okay, no, I don't want to have yellow right here, I want to have blue. And then you can see, you can just adjust the color and it changed and the entire intro looks a little bit different. So I think it's just amazing how easy this is. Then next up we'll have, for example, here a social media folio that slides in from the left that you can see right here. And in this case, I've used it for my Instagram account. But again, of course, this is very easy to adjust here on the right side as well. You can just say, okay, this is my account, subscribe text, follow me, for example, or subtitle text, follow me. And then you can, of course, also say, I don't want to have this for Instagram. So you can just say, I want to have the icon for Twitch, for example. I personally don't have Twitch, but if you have Twitch, then you can link it right there. So I think this is also amazing how easy this is. And last but certainly not least, we're here with the end screens, which are great. So you can just put whatever footage you want beneath it. And then we have here different drop zones where you can say, okay, I want to have my 2 latest videos linked as well as the subscribe button. To change then, for example, here the images as well, we have different drop zones as well here. So you can just remove it. Then you can see we have a drop zone. And then if you click on this, you can say, okay, this picture actually was really nice. Use it in this project. And then here you go. And this is how it looks once you play it back. It might render in the background, so maybe it doesn't look perfect, but after it's exported, it looks perfect anyways. So here you can see how I used it in this last project. I want to take a look at one more video where I used some different templates as well. So here we have my CR4X review. And one thing that I used here, which is really nice, is actually these pointers. So if we play back the footage right here, you can see that I really wanted to emphasize the headphone jack as well as also the logo. And there we have this crosshair animation, which looks really nice in my opinion. And one thing, if we click on there, what you can see is that we actually have the option to track this. So if this was, for example, a camera angle where the camera is moving, then you can track this so it always stays at the same position and you don't really have to, for example, export it and then do it in Apple Motion. You can do it straight here in Final Cut Pro, which is absolutely amazing. And I've also used some other simple text animations in here as well. And this will wrap up my video and my brief overview of these plugins. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I have to say that ever since I received these plugins, I've used them in every single video, and I'll do so for the foreseeable future because, in my opinion, they are an amazing value and I can highly recommend them. Thanks for watching, see you next time.